Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 7 super useful shortcuts and hidden menus in Windows 10 and 11 that can save your time and boost productivity. Let's start. Number 7, Windows plus Shift plus S key. So opening Snipping Tools, need to capture part of your screen fast. Use this combine key to open the Snipping Tools. Drag to select and it's copied to your clipboard. And these tools give you more flexibility to select the part of the screen. Number 6, Windows plus V, Clipboard History. Copy like a boss. Just don't forget to enable Clipboard History in the setting. Number 5, Windows plus Tab key. Open Task View and Virtual Desktops. Once a clean workspace, hit Windows plus Tab to open Task View. You can create multiple desktops and organize your apps like a pro. Number 4, Windows plus Ctrl plus D. Create a new virtual desktop. Ever feel like your desktop is too crowded? Try this. By pressing this combination key, it instantly creates a new virtual desktop, a clean slate for your apps and Windows. It's perfect for separating work, study, or play. You can switch between them using Windows plus Control plus left or Windows Control plus right. Number 3, Alt plus Control. You want to quickly switch between apps. Just use this combination. Hold down Alt and press the tab to cycle through all your open windows. It really boosts your productivity. This one is simple but powerful. Number 2, Windows key plus I. It's directly access to setting menu. Whether you are adjusting your display, setting up Wi-Fi, or managing system update, you will land right at the control center of your PC. And number 1, Windows plus X. This will open what's called quick link menu, a hidden gem for power users. With one press, you get instant access to tools like Device Manager, Terminal, Task Manager, and even disk management. Now your turn. Write in the comments and tell us what these shortcuts do.